Hi, dumelang. Welcome to Kagaza TV. Ke nna Lebogang Thoka, ke nna Mokoena Milala Tlhakamore Metsa Pula. On this Sunday re tlile lenyalong la Mr and Mrs Tabane mo Zone B ko Leboa Kgomo. Thank you. Welcome back to Kagaza TV. Kita mayale mama, my beautiful mother here. Mama kona ma?
Ngulina Msiza.
Okay.
From Ekangala.
Ekangala. Okay, so mama ngosho nokuthi related kanjani labantu abashadayo namhlanje?
Okay. I'm related nomakoti wethu uNadlow Beauty Masango. Now Tabane. Mrs. Tabane.
Okay, uyine yakho noma wena uyine yakhe?
Yes, Mrs. Tabane umsisi wami. My sister, yes.
Okay.
Abo baba bethu, they are brothers.
Okay, welcome to the family, mama.
Thank you very much.
Welcome to Kagaza TV. I have this little handsome gentleman over here. Kopali introduce kona mang?
Kinapes.
Wena kona mang?
Tsibo Manglane.
Wena kona mang?
Khumutsho Mathebu.
Ke khumutsho. Litle nyalo lama.
Rangwane ya rena.
Rangwane ya rena ke ma?
Ke mang sesi? Tebogo.
Mara ke malum Tebogo Tabane. Okay, ke leboga bana ba ka? Okay, shapune. Hi, hello, welcome again. Ke nna Lebogang Thoka. Ke tsamaya with this handsome malome wa ka. Kopa we introduce. Welcome to Kagaza TV. Le kopa we introduce ba lo kona ma.
Nna ke nna Tshidi. Daniel Matsibiso wa ga Masheng.
Okay, and so relate jwang le batho ba banyalang?
So batho ba banyalang ke mmitsa Bratesa, ke mmitsa Botebogo.
Okay.
I would say he's my big brother.
Okay.
So mama go Botebogo. Ge mama wa ka mwana o re sesi. So mama wa ka ke Moratho. Mo mama go Botebogo.
Oh, ke malome, buti, friend, everything.
Yeah, so I would say he's my big brother.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, that's all right, thank you.
So here is a toast to Allah, Allah. And we've been through the most, so here is a toast to Allah.
Love is all about, love is